Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my at-home extensions. I use this B&Q. This one is 40D. It comes with 280 pieces. It comes with all of these as well. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put the link. So as you can see, my lashes have fallen off. So that means it's time to just take the whole set off and do a new one. I'm going to show you guys how I do it and the exact set that I use. The lash remover that the set comes with, you just put it under, soak it for a couple minutes and let it come off. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. And I have a bowl with just soap, and I just put the lashes in there to clean them off. So with the bond, just dab it on where you're going to put your lashes. See how I'm just dabbing it and not brushing it like mascara? It'll get all over your lashes and it'll stick together in your eyelid. It should look somewhat like this. If you're a beginner, I recommend you start from outer to inner, but I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to start off with a 10. So you just pull your lashes up, put it right there. These are really small, so I usually have to have 6 to 7 pieces to fill my lashes. Okay, and then take the next one, put it kind of overlap. If you feel like the lashes aren't sticking on, you can put the glue right on the lashes and then apply it on. Be careful not to get in your eye like I kind of did right here. Once you're done, just pinch it all together to make sure everything stays together. Everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Once you're done putting it all together, go in with the seal and apply it right where you put all the glue. Do not put it on the lashes because that will make it turn stiff and not fluffy. My eyes water very easily. Yeah, so these are my lashes. I'll put the map up here. So I'm all done with my lashes. These are how they look. Always make sure to write them down so that way you can replicate it. And another thing, I think you're not supposed to get them wet for at least 24 hours. But if you're like me and you have really watery sensitive eyes, just be very careful because the seal does burn a little bit. Thank you guys for watching. The link is down below if you guys want to purchase this.